Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the password reset protect function on the Twitter application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the second option down below, which is the search icon. Click on the settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on this icon in the upper left corner and click on security and account access. Tap on the first option, security, and click on password reset protect. This is an additional password protection function. For added protection, you'll need to confirm your email address or phone number to reset your Twitter password. So if you turn this on, you need to re-enter your Twitter password to save changes to your account. Then if you are done with it, press the button OK, and then you will save account changes and turn on the password reset protect function. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.